Well, good evening, everyone. This here is Mike Bass back with the weather forecast for today. Um, we're looking at the lower 48 on the United States. Up in Maine, we have winter weather advisory and winter storm watches in effect as the system continues to lift off to the northeast into Nova Scotia. Still got wind advisories, special weather statement for the mountains of western North Carolina, Virginia, and northeast Tennessee. We have freeze warnings and frost advisory covering much of Florida and southeast Georgia. Special fire for North Texas, fire weather warnings for New Mexico, wind advisory, high wind warnings in effect for New Mexico as well. Winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings for the mountains of Utah, Colorado, northern New Mexico, northern Arizona, and eastern Nevada. While we have winter weather advisory for Oregon, also portions of northern California, winter storm warnings in effect for the mountains of California. We have flood advisory, flood warnings in effect for California as well as the storm system moves into the area and produce lots of flooding, lots of mountain snow in these regions here. Alright, we're fixing to look at the radar view, and you can see that exiting moisture off the northeastern United States coast as that system continues to lift off to the north and east. The system that I said was coming into California is already bringing precipitation along the west coast. It will continue marching eastward, and I see a lot of flooding rain for California. And as it marches eastward, severe weather will start to kick up some in Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, and Oklahoma by Tuesday, and then it will slowly move eastward Wednesday over into the south, and then into and by Thursday and early Friday over into the southeastern United States. So if you're in these areas here, please be on the lookout for possible severe weather anywhere from Texas to the Carolinas. And now here's the Storm Prediction Center page. Day 4 through 8. Day 4, probability too low. Day 5, there's a 15% chance of severe weather with East Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi, southeast Arkansas. Day 6, probability too low. Day 7, probability too low. And also day 8, probability too low. As we get further in time, these here 15% that's over Texas and Louisiana will continue to move over into Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Florida as we progress through the week, and even Tennessee. So just be on the lookout. And that's all the weather forecast for tonight. I hope everyone has a great evening. I'll have another update tomorrow. Thanks again, and hope everybody has a great evening and be safe and well.